Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm sharing my personal experience with the TCL 55-inch class S5 UHD 4K Fire TV. The first thing I want to highlight is the picture quality. For a mid-range TV, it's honestly impressive. The 4K UHD resolution delivers sharp and detailed images, while Dolby Vision and HDR PRO Plus enhance the contrast and colors. Bright scenes pop without being harsh, and dark scenes retain a good amount of detail. Something you usually don't expect in this price range. Whether you're watching movies, TV shows, or live sports, the colors feel vibrant yet natural. I noticed that even during daytime with sunlight in the room, the screen holds up quite well without losing clarity. Since it comes with Fire TV built in, the interface is smooth, and all major streaming apps like Prime Video, Netflix, Disney Plus, and YouTube are right there. The setup is super simple with the included Alexa voice remote, and I found it convenient to search or control playback using just voice commands. It also supports Apple AirPlay too. So if you're an iPhone user, casting your photos or videos to the big screen is seamless. For gaming, the S5 performs quite well for a 60Hz panel. Input lag is low enough for casual and mid-level gaming, and HDR in games looks decent with good brightness and contrast. It's not as advanced as premium 120Hz or 144Hz OLEDs, but for most console gaming and casual PC use, it delivers a smooth and enjoyable experience. One feature I really enjoy is using it to display family photos and artwork when it's idle, while it's not a dedicated art mode TV. The bright 4K panel makes photos look sharp and colorful, which is great when you want a screen to add to your room's ambience rather than just sit there as a black box. Overall, the TCL S5 is a solid choice if you want a reliable, affordable 4K TV with good picture quality, Dolby Vision and Atmos support, smooth streaming with Fire TV, and decent gaming performance. If you're planning to buy a new TV in this range, I'd recommend checking out this one. As I mentioned, I bought mine from Amazon. The link is in the description below, so you can see the latest price and any deals available.